Page 64, Prelude, Opus 28, number 7 by Chopin. It's a very pretty piece. It's not written, this is written in the key of F major. I mean, the actual Prelude's in a different key, but that's not the point. It's the melody. We're getting the melody here. This melody. This thing is what we're after. So watch this rhythm, the dotted rhythm. 1 ienda, 1 ienda, 2. It's in 3/4 time. Coming in on the pickup, so it's 3, 1 ienda, 2 ienda, 3 ienda, 1, 2. That's all it is. So, right hand. They're fingering at the beginning. It's a little awkward. You can, if you want, reach up and use third finger on the A, and then you can use fourth finger here, and then 1 and 2 here. I'll leave that up to you. And then lift up, it's a new phrase. And then this is fine here. Just thumb off. If your fingers are fat or whatever, you have to work out another fingering. So you can use third here and whatever you want here. The pedal will help connect the notes, so do the best you can. And then lift up. Between each of these phrases, lift up. Forget the B flat. And then more. Now go down to the third line. Second measure, you're here. Then lift up. Now I do a 2, 4, 5 on that chord because I'm basically in this position. So it's 1, 2, 1, 3, and then the second finger is going to go here, and then I stay there. Is fine, and then lift up and come down. And that's basic. And you got to move up quickly. There, but you're slowing down, and this is not a fast piece. This is a nice piece, and so you have time. You just have to practice the move from here to here. It's an octave. To work that out. The left hand isn't moving around, so you can focus on the right hand more there. The left hand has this accompaniment softly. It's here, C, and then here. You can reach here if you don't want to do that, otherwise you're stuck with a little finger, or the thumb. Yeah. And then go on. Play these rests. We want to lift it up for 1 beat on these rests. And this is basically the rhythm for the left hand. There's not a lot going on. Go down to the third line, last measure on the rolled chord here, and then lift up, and then last line, I recommend a 4-1 and then a 5-1, and then here, if you can, because your right hand is moving, you don't want to be moving the left hand too, that's a bit much, so I can do a 2-1 on the first one, and then either a 5-2 or 5-3, it's up to you, because now you're in position for the last one. So it's here for the left hand, or you can do it their way too. I find their way a little more awkward because I have to move a little more here. I prefer to go here, here, and then here. Work it out one hand at a time. Put the hands together carefully. We want to hear the melody. Keep everything else soft. It's soft anyway. This is weird. It's awkward. It's the beat we want to hear, so work on that. Crescendo up to a loud, and then roll all of these notes 1 note at a time, and I play the bottom note on the beat. Now the last line, first measure, right hand, I do on the quarter notes 1-5, 2-5, and then a 1-5. So that one. So you work out all that, get it all working, and then we add the pedal. And we certainly need pedal on this one. Yes, definitely. So legato pedal, like they're showing you, with one minor exception. We'll get there. Right there, after the half note, between each of these phrases, when the right hand plays that quarter note by itself, I do not pedal that. That has to be by itself, and we don't need any pedal on that one. So it's this way. And it's a new phrase, so I'm lifting up with the hands, so there's a little silence before I play the next phrase, you know. Up. Now here I got to pedal each beat because we're changing a harmony, and then lift up on the half notes because it's a new phrase. Like so. Beautiful piece. And at the end, the hands and the pedal come up at the same time.